I'm your host, Harris Pianavong, and today's episode is very, very special. I have the ladies of Jerica, Trin, and Auntie Jenny. And this is Eating
with Mr. International.
You guys ready to eat?
Yes! Woo, can't wait! Excited!
Let's do it! Alright, thank you so much, ladies, for being here. Really appreciate your guys' time. So let's go.
Thanks for having us.
Yes, no problem. So bye, Dee. Thank you.
Bye.
You made a lot.
This is not your first time having it. Oh, good. Thank you.
Yeah.
I feel bad because I was so nervous if they haven't had it.
What?
Okay, here we go. And my papaya juice lobster. Alright, you guys excited?
Very excited. Very excited.
Please show us your bowl. Alright.
Okay, here's your spoon that I stole.
Thank you.
And so what I would do, because I know you haven't had this, is there's a meat sauce right there. Stir that into the noodle. And basically just
Mix it
stir
all up.
everything together.
Wow, that looks so good. How's it?
It's really good.
Full of flavor, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, Trin, your turn.
It's really good.
It's slipping away.
I'm doing this entire
Auntie,
time.
show how it's done.
Right here.
Ooh.
So girls, this is of course lobster tails. We're dipping it in our Jeow. And what that is kind of like a hint of sweet, a lot of spice and sour. It's got cilantro and onions, so dig in. Cheers!
Cheers. A lot of potatoes.
That citrus, spice, garlicky. Wow. I'm drooling.
This is really good.
I'm drooling.
So you see that papaya over there? The way that we allow people to eat papaya.
Wow, the lighting is perfect. Look at that juice. Fancy. Look at that jumbo prawn.
Sabay.